Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can block spam on Outlook. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So spam is basically a bunch of different emails that you get sent to that you really don't want. Probably they're all most of the time scammers. So it is really important to know how you can block them. So how we can do this is actually, first of all, you're going to launch up Outlook. Now, from Outlook, unlike Gmail, if you just keep holding on this on your email and then clicking the three dots, you're not going to find anything related to related to a block. Okay, you're not going to find it. So it's actually a little bit easy, a little bit like weirder, but we deal with what we have. So you're going to choose whatever email that you want to block, okay? And then after that, you're going to click on the three dots inside the email. And after that, you're going to click on report a concern, then spam, and after that, you're going to click on send. That's basically how you can report and block a spam folder. If you actually do, we want to make sure that you don't never get an attachment again from them. You're going to click on the three dots. You're going to click on the three dots now, and from the three dots, you're going to click on ignore conversations. You're never going to get also sent an email from them. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.